Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing a DIY project that truly touched my heart, transforming tangled yarn into stunning art. It was more than just a craft, it was a journey of patience, creativity, and self-expression. I've always loved the look and feel of yarn. The colors, the textures, they're just so inspiring. But sometimes, I'd end up with these massive tangles. It could be frustrating, but I saw potential. That's when the idea struck me: what if I could turn these messes into something beautiful? This DIY wasn't just about making something pretty. It was about the emotional connection I formed with the process. First, the prep work. Entangling the yarn took time, but it was meditative. It was a chance to slow down, breathe, and focus. I started with a large, well-lit space. I gathered my tools: scissors, a crochet hook, and a whole lot of patience. As I worked through each knot, I thought about how each thread represented a different memory or feeling. Next came the creative part. I wanted to create a piece that reflected both the tangle's chaos and the potential for order and beauty. I decided on a wall hanging, something that could bring warmth and personality to my home. I played with different color combinations, textures, and techniques. I tried macrame knots, weaving, and even some simple crochet stitches. The experimentation phase was where I truly let go and embraced the process. It was liberating to not worry about perfection. The process wasn't always smooth sailing. There were times when the yarn would get tangled again, and I'd have to start over. There were moments of doubt when I wasn't sure if the finished piece would look as I envisioned. But with each challenge, I found resilience and learned to trust the process. These little setbacks made the whole experience even more meaningful. Finally, the moment of truth. After hours of work, my wall hanging was complete. Seeing it hung on the wall filled me with a sense of pride and accomplishment. It wasn't just a decorative piece. It was a symbol of my persistence and creativity. It's a reminder that even from chaos, you can create something beautiful. Every time I look at it, I'm transported back to that creative process. And I get a feeling of contentment and joy. This project taught me the importance of slowing down, being patient, and embracing the unexpected. It's about more than the finished product, it's about the journey. I hope my DIY inspires you to pick up some yarn, embrace your creativity, and create something that speaks to your soul. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.